Welcome to our video showcase of the best folding step stools on the market. Whether you need a sturdy companion for reaching high shelves or a portable seating option, we've got you covered. These space-saving wonders combine functionality with convenience, making them a must-have for any home or workspace. From durable materials to innovative designs, we've handpicked the top contenders that offer both style and reliability. Get ready to discover the ultimate folding step stools that will elevate your daily tasks to new heights. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. The Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool is an absolute game changer when it comes to convenience and functionality. This lightweight step stool is designed to be sturdy enough to support adults and safe enough for kids, making it an excellent addition to any household. One of the standout features of this stool is its effortless opening mechanism. With just one flip, it opens up, ready to be used. No complicated setups or confusing instructions here. The simplicity of this design ensures that anyone can use it without any hassle. The stool's versatility is another major plus. Whether you need an extra boost in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or even for your little ones, this step stool has got you covered. It provides the perfect height to reach those out-of-reach shelves, cabinets, or sinks, making everyday tasks much easier. Despite its lightweight construction, the stool offers impressive durability and stability. You can trust that it will safely support your weight without any wobbling or instability. Overall, the Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool is a must-have item for any home. Its ease of use, sturdy design, and wide range of applications make it a fantastic investment for both kids and adults alike. Number 2. Utopia Home Folding Step Stool. The Utopia Home Folding Step Stool is a reliable and practical solution for reaching those out-of-reach areas in your home. This pack of one step stool is perfect for various purposes, whether it's for kids, kitchen use, bathroom assistance, or even in the living room. With a convenient 9-inch height, it provides just the right amount of lift. One of the standout features of this step stool is its impressive weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. This makes it suitable for both children and adults, ensuring safety and stability during use. The stool is made from lightweight plastic, making it easy to carry and transport wherever you need it. Its foldable design allows for compact storage, saving valuable space in your home. The Utopia Home Folding Step Stool is not only functional, but also visually appealing. With its sleek and simple design, the textured surface provides a non-slip grip, preventing accidents and ensuring secure footing. It is sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding regular use. Overall, the Utopia Home Folding Step Stool offers convenience, durability, and safety. It is an excellent addition to any household, providing a practical and versatile solution for those hard-to-reach areas. Number 3. ACSTEP Folding Step Stool. The ACSTEP Folding Step Stool is a reliable and versatile addition to any household. Designed with kids in mind, this 9 inches tall step stool offers a safe and sturdy platform for them to reach higher places. One of its standout features is its impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it suitable for adults as well. The stool is made of high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. The non-slip surface adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidents even when the stool is used in wet or slippery conditions. Additionally, the collapsible design allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The inclusion of a convenient carry handle makes transporting the stool a breeze. Whether it's assisting children in reaching bathroom sinks or enabling adults to access high shelves, this step stool proves to be a versatile and practical tool for various tasks around the house. In conclusion, the ACSTEP Folding Step Stool combines durability, safety, and portability into one impressive product. With its high weight capacity and non-slip surface, it offers peace of mind for users of all ages. Whether it's for home, outdoor, or indoor use, this step stool is a reliable and convenient choice. Number 4. ACKO Folding Step Stool. The ACKO Folding Step Stool is an excellent addition to any household, providing a sturdy and convenient solution for reaching higher places. Designed for both kids and adults, this 13-inch heavy-duty plastic foldable step stool offers a practical and reliable platform to access those out-of-reach areas. One of the standout features of this stool is its durability. Made from high-quality plastic, It can withstand regular use and support weights up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for people of all sizes. The folding design adds to its appeal, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces when not in use. Its compact size makes it perfect for apartments, kitchens, or even outdoor activities. Safety is also a top priority with the ACKO folding step stool. It features a textured surface to prevent slipping, ensuring a firm grip for both kids and adults. The non-slip rubber feet provide stability on various surfaces, minimizing the risk of accidents. Furthermore, the step stool's simple and sleek design is aesthetically pleasing and easy to clean. Whether it's used for reaching high shelves, assisting children in reaching the sink, or as an extra seat for gatherings, the ACKO folding step stool delivers on functionality, durability, and safety. In summary, the ACKO folding step stool is a must-have household item. Its heavy-duty construction, foldable design, and attention to safety make it an ideal choice for both kids and adults. This versatile and reliable step stool is a worthwhile investment that will undoubtedly make your daily tasks easier and more efficient. Number 5. Delxo folding step stool. The Delxo folding step stool is a premium heavy-duty foldable stool that is perfect for adults in need of a portable and collapsible solution. This sturdy step stool is made of high-quality plastic material that can support weights of up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for various tasks around the house. One of the standout features of this folding stool is its non-slip design. The textured surface provides excellent grip, ensuring that you can step onto it confidently without worrying about slipping or accidents. This feature is especially valuable in areas like the kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom, where surfaces can often be slippery. The folding mechanism is smooth and effortless, allowing for easy storage and transportation. When folded, it takes up minimal space, making it convenient to tuck away in a closet or carry in your car for on-the-go use. The lightweight construction further enhances its portability. Overall, the Delxo folding step stool is a reliable and practical choice for anyone seeking a durable, non-slip, and foldable stool. Whether you're reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, or simply need an extra boost, this stool delivers on its promise of convenience and functionality. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information.